We've measured the voltage across every device in our parallel circuit. Now we want to measure the current through each of the devices. Remember, the ammeter has to be placed in series with the device you're measuring the current through. So let's measure the current through resistor 1, R1, the one on the left in my circuit. And I have to disconnect that, and I'll connect it through the ammeter. Reconnect that circuit back through the ammeter. So I'm going to move this down here so it's really clear that the current comes along, and when it comes down this path, instead of going right through the resistor, first it goes through the ammeter and then it goes through the resistor. So there's my current through R1. Now I'll disconnect it. And I'll move over to resistor 2. Disconnect resistor 2, reconnect it, through the ammeter, and this is the current flowing into resistor 2 in my circuit. I would call that I2. And we'll move over to the third resistor. We'll disconnect it and reconnect it through that resistor. So this would be my I3, current through resistor 3. And of course I would now want to measure the current through the battery. So I'm going to move this over here. And I'll disconnect my battery and I'll reconnect it through my meter. So that's the current flowing into the battery. Of course, you'll do it for your circuit. And with your current readings and your voltage readings, you'll be able to do some calculations and verify some of the equations we use for series and parallel circuits.